Tired of automation workflows that feel more like a tangled mess than a smooth operation? Let's ditch the chaos and upgrade your N8n Docker installation to the latest version, ensuring a seamless and powerful automation experience. First, access your server or machine where your N8n Docker instance is running. This is where the magic happens, so make sure you have the necessary permissions to execute Docker commands. Now, before we do anything drastic, we need to gracefully stop the currently running N8n Container. This prevents data corruption and ensures a clean upgrade process. Use the appropriate command in your terminal, targeting your specific container. The next crucial step is to pull the latest N8n Docker image from Docker Hub. This downloads the newest version of N8n, packed with all the latest features, bug fixes, and security updates. Execute the Docker pull command, specifying the N8n image. Docker will then download the newest version with the latest image safely downloaded. It's time to recreate your N8n container using the updated image. This involves stopping and removing the existing container. Again, use the Docker command to remove the container, being absolutely sure to target the correct container name. Now, recreate the N8n container with the same configuration, but referencing the new image. This ensures that your data, settings, and workflows remain intact. Double-check all your environment variables and volume mappings to ensure everything is correctly configured. Once you're satisfied, fire up the new container. Finally, verify that your N8n instance is running smoothly with the latest version. Access your N8n dashboard through your web browser and confirm that all your workflows are functioning as expected. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your N8n Docker installation.